Hey everybody, it's Beth. I grabbed 4 of these frames from Dollar Tree, removed the centers as well as the little clips that hold them in, sanded down where I've removed those little clips, and painted them all entirely with vintage white acrylic paint by Folkart. I then took these cutting mats, also from Dollar Tree, and these centers I had removed. I took one of the pieces and traced that out 4 times on the chopping mat and cut those out. After they were cut out, I placed one inside the frame just to get it lined up so I can put the transfers on. These transfers are by Thymeless Designs. You can get them from Amazon. I cut and placed down one of the transfers and then used this tool that it comes with to just rub on to the transfer and then peel back the film from the front of it. And I do that on all 4 of them, different designs on each one. And these frames that are from Dollar Tree, the outside of them measures about 4 3/4 inches by 6 inches. After I have all the transfers on each one, I add some hot glue on the back inside lip of the frame and then place down the mat. And when I put on the transfers on the mat, I put it on the rougher side of the mat. So I just made sure to get them all on the same looking side because they are a little different front and back. After I had all of the mats glued into the frames, I added some hot glue to the outside edge of one and placed it against the inside edge of another. Do the same with the third one, and then on the fourth one, I am adding the hot glue to the outside edge of the 2 frames and then placing down that 4th piece. Now you can be done at this point and leave it just out how it is. I wanted a bottom to it, so I'm just taking some craft sticks and I hold it onto the bottom and cut it down. Once I have my first one cut down, I use that as my guide to cut the rest. After they are cut, I sand down the edges where I had cut them, place them on the bottom just to get my placement right for them before gluing them down. I needed 7 craft sticks for the bottom, and then I'm just attaching them with hot glue. After those are glued down, I use that same acrylic paint to paint those craft sticks. And then after it was done, I just placed in an LED candle. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.